Hey there. Have you ever walked across a carpet and felt a shock when you touched a doorknob? Or maybe you've seen your hair stand on end after pulling off a sweater? Well, today we're going to explore what's behind these electrifying moments: static electricity. To understand static electricity, we first need to look at the basics of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of everything around us, and they contain three main particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons have no charge. Normally, an atom has an equal number of protons and electrons, which makes it neutral. But when electrons are transferred from one object to another, things get interesting. Here's a simple example. When you rub a balloon on your sweater, electrons from the sweater transfer to the balloon. Now, the balloon has more electrons, giving it a negative charge. Because the balloon is negatively charged, it can attract positively charged objects, like a neutral wall. This is why the balloon can stick to the wall after rubbing it. So, what's happening when you feel that shock after walking on a carpet? When you walk, your shoes rub against the carpet, and electrons move from the carpet to you, building up a negative charge on your body. When you finally touch a metal doorknob, those extra electrons jump from your body to the doorknob, creating a spark. That's the shock you feel. This sudden movement of electrons is called an electrostatic discharge. Now, remember, static electricity happens when there's an imbalance between positive and negative charges. When those charges are able to balance out, that's when you see or feel the effects of static electricity, like shocks, sparks, or even lightning. Lightning is one of the most dramatic examples of static electricity. Inside a thundercloud, different parts of the cloud become positively or negatively charged. When the charge difference becomes too great, electrons move through the air to balance it out, and that's what we see as a lightning bolt. To sum it up, static electricity is all about the movement of electrons between objects. When there's an imbalance of charge, we experience static electricity in many different ways. 1. Static electricity happens when electrons are transferred between objects. 2. It creates an imbalance of charge, leading to attraction or repulsion. 3. Electrostatic discharges, like shocks or lightning, occur when charges are balanced out. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of what's really happening when you experience static electricity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more electrifying science content. See you next time.